In this segment of this video, we are going to talk what is OneDrive. So what is OneDrive? OneDrive is a file management system. So you might be thinking that why do I need file management system when I can manage my files in my laptop, when I can manage my files in my mobile, right? But when it is required that multiple people will work on same file, multiple departments are involved, multiple groups are involved. It is possible for you to share your laptop with everybody. It is possible for you to share your mobile with everybody. Of course not. So keeping this in mind, Microsoft designed this tool OneDrive. When companies are managing their files, when agencies are managing their file, multiple departments are involved, multiple groups are involved, multiple people involved. So no matter employees from your organization or employees from external organization, you can share your data within organization and outside your organization. And do not think that this is what needed when you are managing a company. This is what needed when you are managing a big family. This is what needed when you're managing an agency. And that's why OneDrive is designed for companies, for agency, for big families, also for the personal use. So let's see what are the feature and why do we need OneDrive.